Yo, what's up boys and girls, ladies and gentle frogs? I always say boys and girls, I literally have like a 2% female ratio. I looked at my analytics recently and it told me it was like 95% male and 3% other. So it's not looking good in that department.
That's just how it is. I'm Khalifa with the reefer, but I never been a whiz. This is grown man shit. This is not for little kids. Even though I'm going hard like a nigga Lil Bill. Got the molly in a drink. I'm a crack a seal. Run up on me, you get popped like I'm popping all the pills. Spazzing on every track. I battle rap.
Today I'm doing a Juice WRLD Bart kind of combination. I did one for X in the past and donated the profits to his foundation, which is found on his website. For those of you that thinks it's not fair for me to sell t-shirts of X, I understand that, so that is that covered. As for the other designs, you can find it on MuddyClout. This might be dropping on MuddyClout, I'm not sure, so if you follow up on Instagram and turn notifications on, you will be notified when the Halloween drops out. Stuff's going to sell out quite quickly. I'm not going to be selling many things, a few in each size and stuff, nice and limited for you guys. I don't want to get into an argument, but I just want to address everyone that goes on about the fact that this is traced. For these kind of things, right, they're pre-existing cartoons, so yeah, the start of it is more often than not going to consist of tracing, because why would I like redraw the character when there's like 1,000 different screenshots of Bart in different positions? The rest of it is me like modifying it, but yeah, in a lot of these situations they start off being traced. So many of you guys are like, well, tracing is not artwork. I'm not saying this is like the hardest form of artwork to do or anything, guys. It's just me putting my content out there. So yeah, do with it as you will. If you like this kind of stuff though, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm not very well, you can probably tell. I've had quite a bad cold for a few days, but I wanted to get a video out for you guys. I've got some new content up on Sploot TV, and I don't really talk about it much, but it's my second channel where I do reactions. I've showed my gran XXXTentacion, and that was quite a funny video, and I'm going to be showing her Lil Pump soon, and some songs off of the Carter album because I love the Carter. Anyway guys, that's it for the rest of this video. Enjoy the rest of the speed art. At the end I throw on a little rain effect which is inspired by Ulster Art. You probably know of him because he does quite well in this category, like hypebeast artwork. He had a video that absolutely blew up, and he's killing it on Instagram as well, so go check him out if you don't know him already. Anyway guys, that's it from me. I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care.
still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where